Good evening, ma'am. My name is Jack Jack B. Pareha. I'm going to explain why communication is important in daily life. So, communication is important to my daily life, especially in school, because communication helps us exchange facts, ideas, and knowledge. It is how I talk to my friends and family and keep those relationships strong. I also use it to tell people what I need and want, like when I'm hungry or need help, especially in school activity. For me, communication is a big deal for my daily life because it is how I make friends, communicating people, and share ideas with them, and how I tell people what I need. It helps me learn new things in school and share ideas with others. It is important also when getting a job. Especially as a student, I must know how to find a job in order to help my mother in paying tuition. So, that's all. Thank you.